Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video I have covered the topic called faith healing, what it means and how blind faith works. This topic I have covered in the last video. Friends, and in our today's video I am going to cover the topic called subjective faith and what it means. This topic I am going to cover. Friends, this is 53 number topic and the name of the topic is subjective faith and what it means. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. You will recall the proposition which need not be repeated at length. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we are going to recall the proposition which need to be repeated at the length, friends. Okay. That the subjective or subconscious mind of an individual is an amenable to control of his own conscious or objective mind as it is by the suggestion of another. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that the subjective or the subconscious mind can be easily controlled by the conscious mind or the objective mind by the means of the suggestion, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It follows that whatever may be your objective. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling our subjective mind and our subconscious mind follow whatever is the objective of our conscious mind, friends. Okay, belief, if you will assume to faith actively or passively. So it is all about belief if we assume it to faith actively or passively, friends. Okay, your subconscious mind will control by the suggestion and your desire will be fulfilled. Here author Joseph Murphy is telling whatever we want to do, our subconscious mind will be controlled by the suggestion and our desire will be easily fulfilled. Means whatever I dream, it will be the duty of the subconscious mind to manifest that into reality, friends. Okay, and it is possible, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The faith required in mental healing is a purely subjective faith. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling in a mental healing it required a purely subjective faith, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, and it is attainable upon the cessation of active opposition on the part of objective or conscious mind. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling it is possible on the active opposition of the objective or the conscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. In the healing of the body, it is of course desirable to secure the concurrent faith of the both conscious and the subconscious mind. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that in the healing of the body, it is very much important that both concerns should be there, the concern of the conscious mind and the concern of the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. However, it is not always essential if you will enter into the state of passive and repetitive by relaxing the mind and the body and getting into a sleepy state. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling it is not essential that you need to go in a sleepy state by taking your mind frequency down in a sleepy or a drowsy state. In the drowsy state, your passive becomes receptive to the subjective impression. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that in a drowsy state, your passive become receptive to the subjective impression, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Recently, I was asked by a man, how is it that I got a healing through a minister? So your author Joseph Murphy is telling through to a man. To author Joseph Murphy, a man asks, how does he get a healing through a minister? I did not believe what he said when he told me that there is no such thing as disease and that matter does not exist. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, I didn't know what he said, but whenever he said that there is no thing such as disease and that matter doesn't exist, so I only have heard that thing. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, the man at the first thought, this man at first thought his intelligence was being insulted, and he protested against such a palpable absurdity. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that the man first thought his intelligence is being insulted, and he is protested being the palpable absurdity. The explanation is simple. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that the explanation is simple. He was quieted by soothing words and told to get into a perfect passive condition. So author Joseph Murphy is telling that he was quieted by the soothing words and he was told to go in the passive perfect passive condition, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, to say nothing and think of nothing of time being. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling to say nothing and to think nothing for the time it is being, friends. Okay, his minister also become passive. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, and affirmed quietly. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling his minister also become passive and affirmed quietly, peacefully and constantly about 1.5 hours, that this man would have perfect health, peace and harmony. So peacefully they communicated for 1.5 hour that this man is going to have a perfect health, peace and the harmony, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, and wholesome and also the wholeness, friends. Okay, so this person is going to be the whole person. He felt immense relief and was restored to health. So this person felt immense relief and he was restored to health, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, it is easy to see that his subjective faith had been made manifest by his passive under treatment. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling that it is easy to see that his subjective faith had been made manifest by his passive under the treatment, friends. Okay, and the suggestion of a perfect helpfulness by the minister were conveyed to his subconscious mind. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling it is easy to see the subjective faith by which made the manifest under this treatment, friends. Okay, and the suggestion of the perfect health by his minister conveyed to his own subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, the two subjective mind were an rapport. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the two subjective mind were an rapport, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, the minister was not handicapped by ontologistic auto suggestions. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the minister was not handicapped by the ontologistic auto suggestions of the patient arising from the objective doubt of the power of the healer or the correctness of the theory. So here the patient doesn't created the auto suggestion doubt which was came out from the healer or the correction in the theory, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, in this sleepy drowsy state the conscious mind restraint is reduced to a minimum, and the result follows. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, in this state, in this drowsy sleepy state, the conscious mind didn't restrain and the reduced minimum and the result followed here, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, the subconscious mind of the patient being necessarily controlled by the suggestion exercised its function in accordance. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the subconscious mind of the patient being necessarily controlled by the suggestion exercise and its functioning to the accordance, friends. Okay, therewith and the healing followed. So in this way the healing followed, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's video I have covered the topic called subjective faith and what it means. This topic I have covered, and friends, in our next video I am going to cover the topic called the meaning of absent treatment. This topic I am going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.